G'day everyone, my name is Mark from Turner Laser Systems, and today we're going to do a facility tour, introduce our company. We're based inside Owens Design, which is here in Fremont, California. We have two buildings. This is building one, which is engineering production, and then we'll head over to building two just in a little bit. But let's go inside, see the facility, and do a bit of a lab tour. Welcome to the Laser Applications Lab. Basically, this is where we do the problem solving, taking customer products and materials, and we will work out what's the right type of laser technology, what are the right tools to use to manufacture that product. This machine here on the left is a precision 3-axis gantry, and it's combined with a high-speed galvo scanner. So this basically allows us to process materials up to 10 meters per second really fast. And we've got currently on there an infrared nanosecond laser, which allows us to tackle a variety of processes and manufacturing problems, from small hole drilling, dissimilar welding, fine precision micromachining, etching, marking, and even thin film removal. So this is basically the Swiss Army knife of our laser products. The other side of the lab here, we've got a much more flexible platform. Today we have an infrared femtosecond laser. It's very useful because we can basically process materials, whether it be cut it, blade it, scribe it, etch it, drill into the materials, and we can go in and out of the material before the atoms can respond, which means we don't heat up the material, we don't create any mechanical stress or fractures or micro cracks into the materials, and allows us to do a lot of delicate processing. Again, the system's set up for versatility, so we're changing it every week and tackling completely different products on a project-by-project basis. The current position we have open is a laser applications position. Basically, you'll get to work on a variety of different laser microprocesses, working here in the lab with the tools that we have, and again, it varies on a week-to-week basis. But basically what happens is customers bring in product to us, and they'll give us a requirement, like drill some holes or cut out a feature into their product. And using the tools in the lab, and then also tools we have access to other labs as well, is work out how to process them the best. So you'll be learning about micromachining, laser processing. Of course, we'll go into the foundations of how lasers work and how they are used to process materials. But you'll also be learning about the customer's technology. So this means learning about solar cells or medical devices and implants that go into your body. You'll be learning about battery technology, automotive technology, semiconductors, consumer electronics, and then how advanced manufacturing fits into the big picture. So it's a great opportunity not just to learn about lasers on the technical side, which is really cool, but how it fits in with advanced manufacturing in general. So part of the philosophy that we have with an internship program here is mentorship, both on the technical side as well as the mindset side. So of course you're going to be learning about physics and lasers and advanced manufacturing, but we also think it's really important in a mentorship program and internship program to go through the skills and how you build your career and how you build a sort of a positive career in your interactions, in your leadership, your program management, and just developing as an individual. So for example, we have a 80-20 rule. Basically, you spend 80% of your time working on tasks, getting technical projects done, and running experiments in the lab. But it's important to allocate a certain amount of time to educating yourself. So we try to encourage about 20% of your time reading articles, watching videos, instructional videos, going to the lab, working and learning from people here in the building. And that's really key to a successful internship, is focusing on your growth and your learning. And it's something that we also encourage, not just internships, but even if you're a seasoned professional, been doing this for decades, it's always important to keep on top of your game and learning new skills.
Hi, I'm Lucas. As a former intern at TLS, I got the chance to work on the most critical parts of the most important company projects. I felt like the work I did had an immediate impact, motivating me to put my best work forward. You'll have the opportunity to get involved in every part of the company, from engineering for manufacturing tools to hands-on process development with state-of-the-art lasers, to meeting with customers face-to-face. Since you're so involved at TLS, you end up learning so much about every aspect of running a small business. It's a very unique experience that I wouldn't trade for any other.
So if you'd like to apply for the internship and work here at Turner Laser Systems and Owens Design, basically to sign up is pretty easy. It's a 4 sort of step process that we have. So first of all, send us an email, which is at contact@turnerlasersystems.com. There'll be a link here in the video where you can send us an email. And basically in the applications, we're looking for 4 things. So the first one is to introduce yourself. Tell me about your story of who you are, what you're currently studying, what interests you, what you like to do as hobbies, and just who you are as a person and sort of what you'd like to learn and where you're going through in your career and your life. And I think here it's important just to tell an authentic story rather than just listing a bunch of skills that you have. So Step 2 is to connect your story with our story. So in this video today, hopefully we've given you a little glimpse into some of the cool stuff that we do, working with lasers, obviously advanced technology, manufacturing, and just overall systems engineering. And so it'd be good to know how your passions, what you're studying connects with what we do, and put those two together. And this second step, I think, is very important when you're job hunting too, is always connecting someone else's story to your story so it all fits together. Step 3, attach your resume. Again, doesn't need to be a very long resume. A single page is typically enough, and just highlighting some of the skills that you think is complementary to the job. And step 4 is a little bit about information. If you're looking for a part-time internship or a full-time, we're open to both types of positions at this stage. And also your availability, when you can get started, and if you have particular semester breaks or periods where you would prefer to do the internship, let us know and we can sort of walk through the four steps.